Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's always a joy to come to you. It is exciting, how much we are learning here. And I want to tell those who are here for the first time that this program is built one on the other, and they are usually in series. So I would encourage you to watch previous series in order to, get to know about what we are talking and everything. Also, I want to ask everybody to invite a friend so that you can all watch this and be part of this community. It is very important to hear these nuggets that we give here every week because they are very important for life and they can be very valuable as you continue interacting with people. Today, we are going to look at some essential things that are required if you want to be or you should belong to a winning team. First of all, the word winning means you are coming on top. Winning means you are achieving your aim and goal. Winning means you are the one who sort of has set a pace and you wear the crown. You have the gold, prize. So to be on a winning team, it has not come easy. If you see a team of people playing a sport, and they emerge as winners, it has to do with the role that each and everybody on the team played, and it looks like they would have played their roles very, very excellently. So for you to have, a winning team, first of all, you must have a winning leader. The mindset should be a winning mindset. We go for nothing but winning. So then you can invest into what will make you a winner, like training if it is sports, checking what you're eating, getting enough rest, and so on and so forth. It is very, very important. One other thing that helps a team to be a winning team is when they have tangible goals. The goals that are set are achievable. They are measurable. You can find the time that you want to do it. So you can come back and question whether the goal was achieved or not. So it is very important to know that if you want to be on a winning team, then you must set tangible goals. Also, a winning team, members of a winning team would have a give it all it takes attitude. Your thing is, I'm going to give all myself. I'm going to release everything that I have in order to make our team, a winning team. It is very, very important. Also, a winning team should be able to rise up from falling or to recover from failure. Whenever you experience failure, that doesn't mean you should, leave and give up, but it means you have time and you can recover because what you are looking for is winning. To be on a winning team, you must have people who are thinking and saying, I'm not going to go back until I see what the goal is that I have set for myself. A winning team also, respect the values of people and other gifts and their talents. A winning team will respect the value. They know the value of people and they respect the gifts and, talents that people have. Sometimes on a winning team, you would find people with diverse skills. But as if I'm using sports as an example, you see that in sports, let's say soccer, there are defenders, there are, strikers, there are left wings and right wings and so on and so forth. So people are positioned playing specific roles on the team. So it is very important for you to understand that in a winning team, you must be able to value and also, use the talents that you have available. A winning team also strives for excellence. They give their best. They do everything to the best of their ability. So if you are on a team and you want to see that team win, it is not a 90-10 or 50-50 or 60-40 or whatever it is, but it's supposed to be 100% input. And that is what will make you a winner. I want to be every time on a winning team. I want to, achieve what is, the ultimate set, for me. It is very, very important. And it is also important for us to understand that for you to be on a winning team, you must really know the rules, play by the rules, and follow the rules. It is very, very important. You cannot do without these things. There are so many qualities that you can talk about that makes a winning team. But I believe these ones that I'm sharing with you would find a place where you can think through them and begin to change if you are not already on the way to the victory or the success. It is very, very important that we understand that every team is built on the leadership. So if you have a winning leader, the likelihood that you have followers with a winning mentality is greater. But if you have a leader who does not have winning as part of his DNA, then you may not see any winning. I am so glad that we can come together. This is today's family program. I'm Dr. Abed Kitcher, and we meet here every week. Please invite a friend to invite a friend, and let's all watch this program, learn from it. And if you have any questions for me, you can always send it to me. And also, if you have any suggestions as to how we can do things maybe better, please send it, and we shall be very, very happy to help you. Well, finally, for today, I want to say that a winning team is made up of individuals with a winning attitude and a winning spirit. And therefore, they can emerge as winner. Why? Because everybody gives everything. It is always a blessing to belong to the winning team. We would continue next week. And I believe that this is helpful to you. If you have any questions, you can, get to us, and we shall gladly respond it for you. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. This has been your favorite program, Today's Family. I'm Dr. Abed Kitcher, and I sign off here. See you next week. Bye-bye.